Stay still. Don't move.
Let him just fucking eat that thing, hopefully.
Alright, so, yeah. Now they're the one on his foot.
Yeah.
Get that out of your mouth. It's not food, you fucking idiot. Go get a piece of fish from upstairs so I can keep it busy.
Give me a fish patty.
I got this, guy.
Dr. James, he's on call. There's Catherine,
Do me a favor.
assisting very well.
Need a scalpel,
Scalpel,
sponge,
sponge,
cigarette,
coffee.
Jack. Probably bring the boost down here.
Alright, we're gonna do the release of the bird.
Numbed him up with some liquor.
No, some Benadryl.
Some burn cream. It's got lake
Alright, we're gonna do the release of the bird. Can we put this on Facebook or YouTube?
It's too large.
No, from the camera you can connect it, right? Alright,
I say cook them.
let's go into shock.
going into
I
shock.
hope this bird gets released and craps on you for making such a dirty statement like that. Hey, go get my phone.
Where is it?
Yeah.
No, never mind. Okay, we're almost done with surgery. Okay. Wait. It's still stuck. Hold on. Let's get rid of all this stuff. Ready? The release of the bird. Yay!
Yeah, watch it come fucking bite us all. A good thing.
We did it. Yeah,
Good thing. Yeah, now hopefully nobody steps on it.
I put the other part on that. I don't think.
all right.
Good girl, Cat.